Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my kitchen. We are going to make some easy basic omelette today. This is how pretty much what happens in my kitchen in the morning. Me making the breakfast, watching some news and morning shows, and Jules sitting on the couch just watching me cook. Probably she believes I'll give her some breakfast. So these are all the ingredients we are going to need: some green onions, pepper, salt, dry or fresh mint, 2 eggs, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of black pepper, some minced ginger, and we're done. So this is so easy, you barely have to move your hands except for beating the eggs with your hands. Alright, so there you go. I'm not going to bother mixing with bring out the whisk or this or that, just with a fork. Then add everything to the omelette. That's about it. Alrighty. Backwards and forward. So I don't want to leave any lumps in there. Okay, so with butter, egg tastes better. But sometimes I do 1 spoon of butter, 1 spoon of olive oil. Or sometimes instead of butter and olive oil, I can just use ghee too. So today I'm using butter because the guys like it this way. And this is a teaspoon, so 3 teaspoons, around 2 tablespoons of sliced green onion. I have some red pepper, it's not too hot, or you can use paprika. A pinch of black pepper if you like it. And then I have pink salt, just a pinch, sea salt, just a pinch, and there you go. That's dry mint, or you can use fresh mint leaves. Either way it's good. Just whisk it for another minute. Looks good. Alright, so I'm heating up the pan with the butter. I'm not going to melt the butter on high flame or heat because then butter will turn brown and I just don't like that color. It tastes good, nutty, but I don't like that taste. So if I want that taste, I will use the ghee. Alright, so it's bubbling. That means it's ready. Alright, so what I will do, I'm going to toss in a pinch of cumin seeds. That's optional. I like it when they pop and they release the fragrance, makes the butter or the oil very fragrant, so I like that. I like cumin seeds anyways. I try to sneak them in wherever I can. And there you go. When they start popping or toasted, I'm going to add the egg in it. Just swirl it around, you don't need to make too much effort. After swirling around, let it cook for like 30 seconds, and then just take your fork and fluff them up. If the pan is heated properly, they are not going to stick. There you go, just fluff them up. See, probably sticking a little bit, but that's okay. Cover it for a minute or so and it's done. Okay, see, it was sticking a little bit, otherwise it would have come out smoothly. Okay, that's it. You can have it with avocados or brown bread toast, Italian bread, pita, paratha, whatever your heart desires. But for me, this is just like that. That's enough. So my breakfast is ready. Bismillah. Bismillah. There you go. Oh yeah, and you can add in the egg batter, you can add 1 tablespoon of milk if you want it a little bit